when a country is very popular, that is when it becomes very competitive when it comes to its visa process. Countries like UK, Canada, the US, Australia, and so on, these countries are very big and they're very popular when it comes to people migrating to these countries. And as a result of that, because there is high demand, their visa processing becomes a bit difficult and sometimes very hard to get. Talking of visa processing fee, and even getting the visa becomes a bit harder. Okay, and that is why in today's video I am going to be sharing with you one of the countries you can actually migrate to and not have to worry so much, not to pay so much, and the processing period is very short. Moreover, you are paying very little in terms of processing fee compared to other countries that I made mention of. And so in today's video, if you're really interested in moving to an European country that can help you get a better healthcare, better education, a better job, high quality living and low cost of living, also you getting the availability of jobs, then I say stay tuned, because today I'll be sharing with you a country that will help you get all these things without you stressing so much about visa fees, without you stressing so much about the processing period and so on. Hello everyone, it's your girl Celine once again, and today I am most honored to have you on my channel. Over here I do speak about my life in Scotland, the UK, and how you can move abroad. And so if these topics are of interest, I say consider subscribing to my channel. To my returning subscribers, I do appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for the support and the love. Guys, I want to say a very big thank you to everybody who is supporting Time with Celine. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how you can move to Estonia with your family or just you, okay? And so I want you to stay with me till the end of this video so you can understand and know how best you can actually move to Estonia to have a better living for yourself, to have that greener pastures you've been looking for. So if you're looking to move to Estonia, getting a job in Estonia is not something that is hard. Like I said, Estonia is not a big country, and as a result of that, they do have a lot of jobs but limited number of people to occupy spaces. If you want to move to Estonia, the processing is between 7 to 30 days. That is how fast they process their visa. So that means that if you want to go within a month's period, you will be packing your bag and baggages to Estonia. Secondly, there is no IELTS. You don't have to struggle showing English proficiency. You don't have to write IELTS. So that worry is off. Moreover, the cost of living in Estonia is very, very good. You don't have to pay so much. So rent ranges from 450 upwards, which is very good. So if you're somebody who wants to live in Estonia, you should know this, because rent is one thing that if you're living abroad, it's very, very hectic. Rent is something that everywhere you go, it's very, very hectic. So you having to get a very low cost of rent in Estonia, it's something that is very, very great. Because Estonia is it's not that of a big country. There are more jobs, okay, but limited number of people to occupy the places, and as a result of that, if you're in Estonia, getting a job, it's not that competitive. So it's very easy for you to find a job when you are in Estonia, and that's why I'm talking about you focusing and channeling your resources and applications towards Estonia, because you will get everything similar like you will have in the UK. So if you're not getting into UK, if you're trying UK, you're trying Canada, you're trying the US, you're trying so many other countries, but it's not working for you, I say try Estonia today. I'm sure one will be asking, yes, if I want to move to Estonia, then what? Now, before you move to Estonia, it's either through your education or through a work visa, okay? And that is to say, you will need certificates of sponsorship in order to move to Estonia. And so today I will be sharing with you some areas or some websites that can actually help you get these jobs that are giving sponsorships in Estonia, and you can start your application towards them. And I give the websites, guys, I want you to go there and do the due diligence by yourself. You go there and you read, okay? I'm just giving you the tip of the iceberg, and so the rest of it, you take it and then you have to go through it, understand what they're looking for, because sometimes people do apply even when they don't qualify, and by the end of the day they don't get these jobs and they get frustrated thinking they didn't get the right information. So guys, when I give you these websites, you need to take your time, go through them, the requirements, what they need, the preparation of your CV and all that before you put in your application. Guys, it is very, very essential, because like I said, it's not only you who is applying, okay? And that's why you must take things more serious before you put in your application. Get things done properly before you submit your application, okay? In that case, it will give you a very big chance. But two other things that I would just make mention of it, guys, before you can move, all right, there are some things that you need to get before you think of traveling, and that is your passport and a police clearance. Now, every country you want to go, they want to check if you don't have any bad records and then bring it into their country. So if you have a police clearance, it helps you a lot. You having a certificate of sponsorship, your passport ready, and that of a police clearance, and the rest documents, you attach it and then you can make your submission. Estonia is also a European country, okay, and that is to say it shares borders with these countries, and as a result of that, you will be able to move around, have a good life. Guys, so this is an official website that you can come and also have details, information about Estonia, why you should move to Estonia, the benefits of living in Estonia, and so on. So when you come here, you can have a view of some of the job offers that are available, okay? So they give you all these details on this particular website. So go through this website, take your time, because this website is really packed with information, and like I said, you need to take your time. This is somebody who lived in Estonia. He says Pinto moved to Estonia from Bali because she wanted to experience how it feels to live somewhere, and she loved it, okay? So this is just something for you to know, that immigrants coming into Estonia are happy because they're having a good life. So when you come to Estonia, you will find a better life to live. So all you just have to do is, guys, take your time, go through this website, and they give you information of how you can stay in the country for a longer period, for a shorter period, and so on. So like I said, read through it, okay? When you have a temporary residence in Estonia, it's 5 years, and as you can see here, it is renewable, and that means you can be having a permanent residence if you go live in Estonia. So it's a very good country, and they give you so many things for you to settle in the country. The next place we're talking about is CV kiosks. This is a place you can also find jobs that they advertise each day with how much you can be earning as a warehouse worker, electrician, and so on. So if you come to that place, you can actually find jobs. This is also cv.ee, okay? When you come here, you'll find loads and loads of jobs. Just take your time, go through them one after the other. Go visit these websites that I've given and start your application. Estonia is giving you a better way to move to the country this year or next year, okay? So if you're somebody who really wants to move abroad, then I say consider moving to Estonia. Take your time, go through these websites and prepare your CV properly. Like I always say, if your CV is not good, don't even think of applying. Don't start it, okay? If you want to talk about how to get your CV done properly, I have my seller account in my description box. If you want to have a one-on-one session with me, you can click on that. It's a paid session that you can have with me, and I can take you through a step-by-step guide on how to get your CV done properly, and also discuss other ways of you moving abroad. And so if you're interested, just check my seller account in my description. Sometimes I leave it in the comment section, and you can book a session with me and we can talk about a lot and so on. This is where we bring today's video to an end, and so if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it, and if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. So till we meet again in our next video, you stay strong and live good and have a good day. Bye bye.